Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the SACAI NIKE ZOOM CORTEZ. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you, and let's go. And today we've got to look at the NIKE ZOOM CORTEZ SP. This is a collaboration between SACAI and Nike. Really dope meetings of the two brands. And we've got this in the UK size 7.5. It's a European 42, and it's a US 8.5. So this did come out earlier this year. I think it was earlier this year. I'm not 100% sure. I believe it was January of 2023. But obviously with us being able to buy a pair, they haven't sold out, so which is really cool. I mean, it's really good for you guys if you were thinking that it was going to sell out really fast. You're still able to buy a pair, and to be fair, this is a really good pair. It's a very good take on an original Cortez. I mean, look how familiar that is, obviously with the SACAI tape on it. But yeah, before we dive in, for those that don't know, SACAI is a fashion house in Japan, headed up by Shitose Abe, and she's one of the greatest designers of all time, in my opinion. And they've done tons of collaborations with Nike in the past before. One of their most renowned one is the LD Waffle. We've done, again, guys, if you want to check out some reviews, we have done the LD Waffle reviews in the past. We've done a couple of SACAIs as well with the Vapor Waffle. Check those out. But this is another take on a classic. This is a particular classic Nike sneaker. I mean, when you think of Nike's premier running shoe, I think of the Cortez. And more importantly, the Forrest Gump colorways, and that is this colorway, the white, blue, and red. Let's get into all the details right now. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. It kind of still has the same sharp teeth outsole right there, but yeah, there is some differences. Like on a pair of normal Cortezes, it's all around like zigzags, but here there's a little dent where it says the Nike. The midsole unit, again, is very similar to a normal, well, I was going to say similar to a normal Cortez, but it does incorporate that. But you can see obviously right here with that extension of materials at the back there, it's like the LD Waffle, what SACAI is renowned for, with their collaborations with Nike, of course, that's what I meant. So you've got a foam midsole also, and again you can see that extension of the materials right there. And you can see the Zoom pod. So the reason why it's called the Zoom Cortez is because there is a cushion of Zoom Air inside, so you've got some comfort there as well if you don't like to rely on 70s cushioning. The upper is a blend of nylons. You've got some bits of suede also right there on the toe box, but all around you can see all this little detailing, so it looks like it's two sneakers sold into one. So essentially, if you look at the inside, it's like a blue or navy Cortez. That's the sock liner. That's the inside of our white, blue, and red Cortez, the OG one, which is a great touch from SACAI and Nike. It's great to see that incorporated also in this Cortez. If you look at the tongue, so the tongue, you got the double tongue, you got the Nike SACAI logo there, and then you've got just a normal Nike underneath. Because it's like two shoes in one, got two swooshes, you can see it there. And if you look at the back, it's like it's a lot of detailing right here. So you got the Nike SACAI. You can see another piece of the inner right there, and you got these bits of suede on the blue and the white right there for you. The inner has the Nike SACAI logo on the inside right there, and that rounds off a really well designed or reimagining of a classic Nike silhouette. I'm really excited to try these on. Just before I forget it looks like it's got one pair of laces, but it's actually two, which I really like and enjoy about like the SACAI Nike collaborations, because it's incorporating two shoes in one, so you get two pairs of laces. I always thought it was a bit difficult to tie, and it will be just a lot of stuff getting in the way, but it's not. It's pretty simple. If you know how to tie the shoelaces, it's easy. Anyway, I'm gonna try these shoes on for you, so roll out footage of me trying these Nike Zoom Cortez on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm UK size 7.5. This fits perfectly for me. My toes are where they need to be. And these are really comfortable, guys. You can feel the Zoom Air in the forefoot, really dope to have. It's a really nice addition from SACAI and Nike to incorporate. But I mean, I'm wearing kind of like loose tracksuit bottoms, so you can't really see the double. And when I look down, it's like a pair of normal Cortez. And even if we should show you that, I mean, I guess the extension in the back is a pair of SACAIs, because you can see the extension. But when I look down, it does look like a pair of Nike Cortez, which is not a bad thing, because the Cortez is one of the most iconic Nike sneakers ever. But it's a shame. I thought it would be that. Well, I feel a little might want to wear a pair of the LG waffles, but that's just me. These, at the end of the day, are a really dope sneaker to have to your collection, and they're still widely available if you're looking for a pair of SACAI Nike sneakers. Just check out the web, there's tons available still. And yeah, so let's give you that little 360 for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. If you're wondering what tracksuit bottoms I'm wearing the grey tracksuit bottoms from Weekday. Check it out. And follow us on Instagram, TikTok, all that jazz. Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.